You can't? Oh, you can do anything you want. Okay, show Auntie Nicole how you climb up on your rock wall then. Show her how you climb on your rock wall. Say hi, Auntie Nicole.
Hi, Auntie Nicole.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Tell Auntie Nicole what you said yesterday about her hair. You said Auntie Nicole has wonderful hair.
That's wonderful hair, Auntie Nicole.
Yes. Okay, show her how you climb your rock wall. Tell her that you just had a paleta. Muy bien. Muy bien. And tell her it was deliciosa. Very good. Okay, climb up. Yep, and then you're going to get to the top. You're going to say, Feliz cumpleaños. Okay, want to come around here?
I climb up my rock wall.
Yes, and now what you say to Auntie Nicole?
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Say, I love you, Auntie Nicole.
Love you, Auntie Nicole.
Blow her a kiss.
Ma!
Mwah! How about a hug?
That's a hug.
That's a hug. Okay. One more time, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Feliz cumpleaños. Can you say it?
Okay.
Okay. Feliz?
I come back get you, Mommy.
Yes. You come get Auntie Nicole?